Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best drones of 2023. These drones are all going to be released in 2023, and they're all going to be very different from each other. So if you're looking for the best drones of 2023, I highly recommend checking out these drones. So those are the top 5 best drones of 2023. I hope this video helps you decide which drone is right for you. Number 5. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata is the best drone for FPV enthusiasts. It has a 1-inch sensor and a 360-degree camera that can shoot stunning immersive videos. It also has a long flight time of up to 30 minutes. The DJI Avata has a number of impressive features, including a 1-inch sensor that can capture stunning 4K video and 12 MP photos, a 360-degree camera that can shoot immersive videos, a long flight time of up to 30 minutes, a variety of intelligent flight modes such as Active Track 4.0 and Point of Interest, a motion controller that allows you to fly the drone using your hands. The DJI Avata is a great drone for FPV enthusiasts who want to capture stunning immersive videos. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth the investment if you're serious about FPV flying. Number 4. Autel EVO Lite Plus. The Autel EVO Lite Plus is a great alternative to the DJI Mavic 3. It has a similar dual camera system, but it's a bit more affordable. It also has a longer flight time of up to 46 minutes. Great camera, long flight time, advanced flight features. Easy to fly can be a bit pricey. Not as many accessories available as for DJI drones. The Autel EVO Lite Plus is a great drone that offers a lot of value for the price. It has a great camera, a long flight time, and advanced flight features. If you're looking for a high-quality drone that's easy to fly, the Autel EVO Lite Plus is a great option. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is the best drone for professionals. It has a dual camera system that can shoot 5.1K video and 20 MP photos. It also has a long flight time of up to 46 minutes. The drone is a bit large and heavy, so it's not the best choice for beginners. The price is high, but it's comparable to other high-end drones on the market. The drone is packed with features, so it's a great choice for professional photographers and videographers. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 is an amazing drone that delivers stunning image quality and performance. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line drone, the Mavic 3 is a great option. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is the best drone for photographers and videographers. It has a 1-inch sensor that can capture stunning images and videos. It also has a long flight time of up to 31 minutes. 1-inch TMOS sensor, 5.4K video recording, 20 MP photos, variety of intelligent shooting modes, long flight time, up to 31 minutes, easy to control, variety of safety features, can be a bit expensive, not as small and lightweight as some other drones. The DJI Air 2S is a great drone for photographers and videographers who are looking for a powerful and versatile drone. It has a great camera, a long flight time, and a variety of safety features. If you're looking for a new drone, I highly recommend checking out the DJI Air 2S. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. If you're looking for a small, lightweight drone that takes great photos and videos, then the DJI Mini 3 Pro is definitely worth buying. It's the best drone for beginners and casual users. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has a number of new features that make it an even better drone than its predecessor. These include a larger 1/3-inch sensor for better image quality, a wider /1.7 aperture for better low-light performance, a new gimbal that can tilt up to 90 degrees for vertical shooting, improved obstacle avoidance sensors, a longer flight time of up to 30 minutes. If you're looking for a great drone that's small, lightweight, and easy to fly, then the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a great option. It's packed with features, and it can capture stunning images and videos. I highly recommend it. If you're interested in more product of these drones, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you buy any product, link description available, and I'll do my best. If you satisfy, like video and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.